Small drones pose an imminent danger and a challenge for security agencies the world over. This concern has now been raised by India at the United Nations General Assembly. The Defence Minister, Home Minister and National Security Advisor of India have reached the Prime Minister's residence as well to brief him about the ongoing investigation. Speaking at the UNGA, VSK Comedy, Special Secretary in India's Ministry of Home Affairs said, and I'm quoting, being a low-cost option and easily available, utilization of these aerial subsurface platforms for sinister purposes by terrorist groups such as intelligence collection, weapons or explosives delivery and targeted attacks have become an imminent danger and a challenge for security agencies worldwide. India has flagged security concerns over drones a day after an Indian Air Force station in Jammu was attacked. Terrorists used low-flying drones to drop improvised explosive devices inside the airbase. The Indian security agencies claim over the last few months, terrorists have been using drones to smuggle weapons into India from across the border. Speaking at the second high-level conference of the head of counter-terrorism agencies of UN member nations, VSK Comedy added, I'm quoting further, the possibility of the use of weaponized drones for terrorist purposes against strategic and commercial assets calls for serious attention by the member states. We have witnessed terrorists using UAs for smuggling weapons across the borders, unquote. The attack on the Indian Air Force base is the first instance of suspected Pakistan-based terrorists deploying drones to strike at India's vital installations. India has now urged the UN General Assembly to pay serious attention to the possibility of use of weaponized drones for terror activities against strategic and commercial assets. According to reports, terrorists based in Pakistan have deployed small drones over the last couple of years to smuggle arms into India with the intention of creating unrest in the Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian security agencies have intercepted and foiled multiple such attempts. In December 2020, security forces in Punjab recovered a consignment of grenades believed to have been dropped from an aerial vehicle from across the border. In October, a drone was shot down by the Indian forces as it entered Indian airspace from Pakistan. In September, Indian forces recovered weapons consignments airdropped by drones from Pakistan in Akhnur. Similar incidents were reported throughout the year in Kathua, Rajouri and Samba sectors as well. In 2019, the Indian government told the upper house or the Rajya Sabha that 182 incidents of suspected drone activity were spotted along the line of control. That figure has gone up significantly, with over 250 such incidents being reported over the years. As Indian security forces continue to dismantle the Pakistan-sponsored terror network on the ground in Jammu and Kashmir, terrorists in Pakistan are using drones to bypass the security cover. Weaponized drones have emerged as a real threat to India's national security. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.